Welcome. So, what is an AI setter? It's simple. An AI setter does the work of a human, but faster and more consistently. Chats with people in your DMs to figure out if they're serious about your offer, book appointments with you, and keeps track of everything. All you do is you just check your calendar and calls start showing up. So it's basically like having a regular DM setter without the hourly rate or close per deal. So why should you care about this and why is it better than DM Sitter? So if you're already sending out cold DMs, you're already putting in the effort. But here's the thing, or if you're receiving Instagram DMs as an influencer, as a coach, or whatever. But so here's the thing. So once these messages start working, you're going to get a lot of replies. So you might miss a few, and you could lose a few solid good leads just because you don't have time to talk to these people, or your DM setter messes up, or something happens. However, Uclone is perfect because it responds right away, even if you're offline. It keeps the conversation going, so no leads slip through. It's always friendly. It's always going to know the right things to say. So if you're doing cold DMs, let's just say 50 to 100 or even more people a day, you know the responses can get chaotic. So Uclone organizes all of that and makes sure you only deal with the serious ones. So basically, how does it work and how can we set it up? Whether we're on desktop, we can go ahead and set up our AI chatbot for handling AI DM setting. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the site uclone.me. That's the first place you want to go. That's the product that you'll be able to set up the AI DM setter for. And don't worry, it's completely 100% free to try out and set up, no card needed. So the first thing is you're going to need to go ahead and connect your Instagram account. So for the sake of this demo, I've already kind of created an account and everything and headed to the integrations tab to go set up my Instagram account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're just going to press add another Instagram account. It's going to pop up a connection. You just log in with your Instagram account. It connects directly to Instagram, so no need to worry about security or safety or anything like that. Just go ahead and upload or connect your AI. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head to the train bot section. So this is where you train your bot on what to respond with. So here you're going to go ahead and just upload any information that you have on your offer, your product, your service, any kind of stuff that the AI needs to know about in order to convince the user to book a call with you. This is where you need to provide it. So after this, what you're going to want to do is you're going to head to the appointment booking, and you're going to want to select Instagram DMs. So under Instagram DMs, what we need to do now is we now need to give the AI kind of a guide. We need to say, hey, what kind of questions do we want to ask? And what's our pitch? So AI is extremely good at figuring out how to put these questions together and how to create the most optimal conversation for a user. That's what Uclone specializes in. All you need to do is you just need to give it the questions that you need to do. So here are some example questions here. So we have what kind of business do you work with? Do you mainly work with established or existing ones? And send a call link. So these are the pre-booking questions that you're going to want to ask. So once you do that, it's super simple. To test it, all you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to press your test chatbot right here and save your changes. That's going to allow you to message the chatbot back and forth, ask any kind of questions you want, go through the booking script and follow all that kind of stuff. Or, of course, you could go ahead and message the Instagram account you connected and test it out that way. So the next important part is obviously the external booking link. So the booking link you want it to send. So you can go ahead and paste that right down here below. And that's super simple to do. So the next part is how do we make sure it's running good while it's live, right? So under the integrations tab, we can go back here and we can go back under Instagram and we can simply say under the chatbot settings, we just scroll down, we can go ahead and set time delays and a stop script. So why are these super important? So a time delay is perfect for answering multiple questions and for making it look like a human. So if you're receiving instant responses from someone on Instagram, you're going to be a little bit suspicious. However, if it takes 4 to 6 minutes for someone to reply, you're going to be a lot more comforted that it's not an AI responding to you. And honestly, once you test it out and try the conversations, you won't be able to tell that it's an AI. So the next thing is important is the stop script. You don't want leads wasting your time and you don't want to deal with these things. So all you have to do is after certain phrases or actions happen, so let's just say they don't qualify for a certain thing. For example, let's just say they're not a realtor and you're doing an appointment setting script for realtors only. You can have this in here, enter exclude realtors or exclude people that say that they're not a realtor, and it will stop the conversation. So it just won't respond to them and it'll flag it. So after that, after you have it all live, you set up all of this stuff here. You now head under the conversations tab. So this is where you can see kind of all the conversations that are happening with your clone and what you can do. So you can see the status, you can see engaged, engaged, curious, and then you can open the menu up here to set a custom status or disable the AI from responding and go ahead and converse with the user yourself if you'd like to. And you can also there go ahead and see kind of what's going on with the conversation, what's the chats. So what's in it for you? So you save hours basically not responding to messages manually. All the leads are sorted for you too. So how do you sort leads, right? I said how are the leads are sorted for you. So what does that mean? So if you go under integrations again and under lead tracking, we integrate with Zapier, Make.com, N8N, and pretty much any other service that does APIs. And what you can do is you can put all your leads into a spreadsheet to track them according to however you want to do it with your flow or whatever. Farther example or farther video is probably going to be coming later to this channel on how to set up lead tracking exactly, but that's just a rough overview of what it does. Same thing with follow-ups. So if you need to follow up with a person, you can set how long to follow up with somebody if they haven't booked a call. Amazing feature too to increase booking rates and not have to worry about messaging people yourself. Also, why it's great, it's scalable. Your AI can handle thousands of DMs every single day instantly, just like that. There's no need to worry about scalability. There's no need to worry about hiring more, creating more accounts, upgrading your plan, one AI, super simple to be able to scale as many Instagram accounts as you want. You can connect up to 1,000 accounts on the platform, and it all works seamlessly for you. So here's what makes it different. So we work directly with Instagram. It's designed for the DMs, so you're not going to get banned. Your account's not going to get in trouble for using this. And it's not just some rigid chatbot, right? You can customize how it handles conversations. You can change the AI model. You can really play with this as much as you would like and explore and kind of work with the features as much as you want. And it doesn't just stop replying. It just books appointments, it tracks leads and syncs with your calendar. It doesn't just do replies. It does so much more than that to be able to make your life so much easier and more effective. So here's a quick example, really fast, of what the best power and use case of it is. So let's just say someone responds to your cold DM or message you, "Hey, I'm interested, tell me more." So you can jump in and say something like, "Got it. If you don't mind me asking, what's the biggest challenge you're looking to solve?" So in this case, the lead responds and the AI keeps the conversation going and eventually will ask, "Hey, would you like to book a call or to discuss this or go through your appointment setting script to pre-qualify them?" However you would like to do it. And that way you don't have to manage people, you don't have to create boring automations. You can have personal conversations with every single person, creating the best experience. So if you're really serious about scaling your outreach or you're just tired of dealing with DMs or having to worry about this, this is definitely for you. Like I said, it's completely 100% free and usage based. So you don't have to worry about subscriptions or anything like that. No credit card is required to start. It's super simple to start. So whether you're already doing cold DMs or swamped replies, you can connect it to any account. It doesn't have to be a new account. Super simple to set up. So again, if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and go to uclone.me and create an account. It's all free, so you can go ahead and check it out and quickly set it up and go through the onboarding process completely yourself. So I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, put it in the comments below, and I'll go ahead and do my best to answer everything. Thank you.